Welcome back to TRL. I'm your host, Daniel.
And I'm Melissa. It's time to bring out our next guest. She's one of your favorite artists. Let's bring her out. Give it up for one of the most talented women in music, Gwen Stefani.
Thank you for having me again. It's always great to be back on TRL. How are you guys doing?
Doing great, Gwen. Thank you.
We're doing so good, but first I do have to say congratulations on all your success as a solo artist. But I do have to ask, what's up with No Doubt? Are you going to be back in the studio with them anytime soon?
So we've been flirting a lot about writing new music, and I mean, you have to imagine, writing with all these different people is kind of intimidating, you know? So going back and writing songs with No Doubt sounds appetizing, and we're definitely talking about it.
And I feel like you're a little burned out too. You're working so damn hard. You have the Lamb clothing line out too?
Actually, I'm on fire and I'm really excited about it. So I have the Lamb line and you know, I'm doing my first New York Fashion Week show in September, so that's taking up a lot of time. But I want to do something on the record for my fans actually. So I have a new line coming out in a month called Harajuku Lovers, and it's actually based on my background dancers, of course. So I am scared for you guys to see it because it's too cute.
That's pretty dope. We can't wait for that. We're gonna talk to Gwen in just a minute. If you'd like to give her a call, give us a call at 888-838-4343. Give us a call and she will talk to a fan later on.
In the meantime, back to the request at number 6, we have Chris Brown's Run It. We'll be right back, so stay tuned.
We are here with Gwen Stefani. So talk to us about that collaboration you had with Pharrell. How did that start out?
So you know, me and Pharrell have actually worked together before. We did that song called Hella Good. But this was the first time we've collaborated with outside writers. You know, Pharrell's unbelievably talented. And you know, after writing a bunch of songs for the album, I was like, you know what? I don't have my Attitude song. So we're sitting up in the studio and just bouncing ideas back and forth off one another.
For sure, that's definitely an Attitude song. So talk to us about Bananas. How did that one play out in the studio?
Okay, so we needed to come up with the word for the B word, and it was really fun to figure out that part.
You know, I feel like it's aimed at someone specific. It's like a slap to someone's face. Who is that someone?
Okay, so the song is about a someone, but that someone has to remain a name because I don't do that. But yeah, back in high school, someone was talking mess about me. So that's kind of where I got the whole cheerleading, marching band theme inspired from. I wanted to give the high school me the power to say the words I've always wanted to.
No, that's definitely powerful. But tell us a little bit about the Hollow Back Row video. I heard it almost didn't make it to this episode of TRL.
You know, after watching many cuts of the music video, I didn't really like any of them. And then we finally found the version that I loved. So, you know, I loved recording this music video anyways, and just to see my cheerleading dream come out to play with this kick-ass song is truly a dream come true. This song is timeless.
That's sick, Gwen.
So about that Hollow Back Row video, do you mind if we watch it?
Let's go ahead. Let's give Hollow Back Girl's first Tiara debut.
All right, you heard it here, folks. At number 5, we have Gwen Stefani's newest single, Hollow Back Girl.